Hey, it's James from Finney Electrical. On today's video, we're swapping over some UFO lights. Let's get into this. So yeah, we've got some music blaring, so I'm gonna have to talk every single second. If not, YouTube will pick this up and demonetize me. So, alright, let's get on with this. So we're gonna sort this out then. So we've got a UFO light. It keeps flickering. There's about 7 to swap over in here. So let's crack it on. Crikey, flipping out, it's a bit hard getting up these ladders. Look at that, that's his next little mission. Up here, crikey. So, thankfully, the lifter fitting, it's actually on the lifter, which gets us nicely in the air then. So all we're doing then, we're unclicking these, and then what we're going to do is wire the new fittings on then. So he had 2 of his own, but we're actually going to wire these robust fittings on. So the 200 watt high bays, I think it's like 30,000 lumens, so it's really bright. And then all we're going to do then is just use the existing connection then, and then chop it, wire to here, live earth neutral, plug it in, tidy it up, and then that'll be that swapped over. And then this is like 0 to, well, it's called 0 to 10 volt dimming. So essentially, if you touch these 2 together, it'll start dimming down and then start dimming back up, and then until you basically release that connection. So you generally just put it by like a retractable switch. But in this case, it's going to be full on. It's going to be full 30,000 lumens or whatever. It's going to be super bright. So also with these fittings then, we've got a 5-year warranty with them, so it's like most companies like 2 years, but with these, if they do break, yeah, you get to swap them out, so that's pretty cool as well. There we go, so just wiring it up now then. So this is your little robust floor click, if you want to call it. So you got LS for live switch, and then you got E and N. So we're going to use LS, E and L for live earth neutral. And all we're going to do is that click plug where it's got, it's in his hand. We'll wire this onto the end of that, and then this obviously comes up, and then that'll just plug in. So next time, if you want to swap these out, we'll just unclick and then click the new one in. Camera on, there we go. So we've got a nice little, really bright robust fitting on. I'm trying to talk pretty loud because this is a tune. Flipping out, you get yourself some right manoeuvres. Look at this. So that's the reception desk. We've got to drive it down here, reverse into there, then come through this little alleyway. Crikey, look at that. But we're in. Hey. There we go. I'll show you the dimming function. So a song's just stopped because it's playing continuously. I'll get a strike against my channel. So we'll have to cut the music, but I'll show you dim it. I'll basically touch these together and you'll see them dim. There we go. Ellis is doing the connection here. Love these little clips that came on it. Just loosen it off, clip it on. It's got 4 just to make sure it lands in line with the rest, like behind my head. Look at that for precision. It's like 2 fingers off. It just fit in, crikey. And what we've had to do is we've got a fridge below us, so obviously when you send the lifter up, you've got a little bit of leeway, so we've gone up and then driven forward a bit. And if we just pull this basket in, because this basket kind of slides out, if we pull it in and go straight down, we'll land on top of the fridge. So we have to remember to reverse a bit before we come down. There we go, it's slightly different. So what this does, let's have a look, show you this then. If I just touch these together, it will dim. And get to do it, there we go. It's dim right down. There we go, that's all those lights swapped over now. We can finally talk, actually have a breather while talking. It's quite nice. But yeah, basically if you've got music playing, YouTube will pick it up and then just like not pay for the video. Or say, oh, you could have people coming after you saying you need to give me money for using my song. So yeah, I didn't fancy that. So then, we're now in this unit here, where we are actually. Nearly going it wrong one. Yeah, we're in this unit here, we've got a light to put up just past the door. In fact, this is on a previous video, if this comes out after that one. And you'll see what's going on. What are you looking at? What are you laughing at? Literally laughing his head off. What are you laughing at? Right. Oh, I got my foot stuck. Now, there you mate. Right, it fit. There we go, for those wanting to know what those fittings were. So what have we got? So that's the product code there. RSN 2005, and then a 0 DA S4-04 200 watt hybrid. So it's quite bright. There you go. Right, then we've got Ellis, the human trash compactor. Right, I'll feed him. Okay, Ellis, he's doing a great job, isn't he?
I suppose you're...
Ellis, the human trash compactor.
Why, it's my primary function, sir.
Really? You just feed it in and he just stamples away. It's brilliant. Oh, I think we've earned some food, mate. Oh, that'll do ya. Oh, talk about dusty. Look at that, I could grip anything right now. It's full of chalk, that full place. Yeah, that was good, that. How do you find that, Ellis?
Wonderful!
Well done, lad. You had to go driving it, didn't you, as well?
Oh,
yeah, it's like a little RC car, I think. But yeah, so we're gonna get some food now. Then, coming up, we have moving a highway light. I'm gonna basically move it over, so we'll have to extend the cable and then hang it the other side of this big yellow beam thing. Because basically this climbing wall, it's gonna have like a cave section that comes in one side, a cave section that comes in the other, and if the light stays where it is, it's just gonna shine on top of the wall, so that's no good. So we're gonna move it obviously from above the wall to the side, so it should shine in. So they're gonna do that. But all failing, if it's a bit dark in there, they said they're gonna we're toying with the idea of some LED strips. It'd be like a channel, like an LED strip, kind of channeled into the wood all the way around. You've got to pick different colours and it'd shine nicely, so it would look pretty sick. But I think it was like, like 500 quid for materials or something stupid. It was a lot of money. But hey ho, you know what I mean, it is what it is. Right then, let's get some munch. Stay tuned. Alright, we're at a slight predicament. I've got no fork, and all I've got to eat today is beans and pork sausage. What we're gonna do? Oh, bit of earth cable. What do we think? Oh, we might go for an earth fork today. What do you think? 10mm fork, mate. You ready? You watching? Look at that, beautiful. Right, that's in then. So what we've done then, I'll show you. So we've got a cable from over yon. Sorry, we've moved. No, I've got to film. Right, so what we've done, we've got a light from there to there, and then we've basically run the cable along into this trough up to here, and I'm just gonna plug it in. So that goes to your light. We've got this nicely tie wrapped down, and that's solid, not going anywhere. So this should light up this area nicely. But yeah, this is the new climber wall then. So I don't know if you can see, but this side there'll be like a cave section going this way, a lot of matting, or this matting, and then this side is like a slope, so there'll be like a cave section coming up and shining in from yon. So that's why we've moved it over. There we go. Right then, so what we'll do, we're going to do a connection up there just to get it all powered up, and then when you turn the lights on, it'll all come on together. But yeah, we've still got that one at end to move. You can see him over there, that little black thing over there, and we'll shove him over there. There we go. Right then, I'm just going to test they work. So that's his new one over there. Ready? Bing, look at that. That is miles brighter than these. So I'm quite impressed with that. Thank you, Robus. I think we're like something like 30,000 lumens. I'll forget the specs for it, but you saw the make and model, so you can Google it. Right, so we've got this new fitting in there, and then these are the old ones then. So we're thinking it will be a bit dark over there, so I think they will have to get some LED strip. We assumed this. Assumed, I don't know. Oh, falling over. But yeah, essentially that climbing section's gonna be really dark, isn't it? So they're gonna have to do something. But I think if they get some LED strip along this like bench section, that'll come this way, shine it up into there. Some nice bright LED strip should look pretty sick. Yeah, lad. You missed the box. Right then, this is great. This it's like adult soft play or something. You just kind of just jog about, and then you're up. No need for access. Ellis is having a whale of a time on the lifter, aren't you? So what we're going to do then, obviously kilt power, where that kilt lead comes out, we'll have to extend that over there. It'll be in line with this one then, so it should shine in at least somewhat into that cave section. So that's what we're doing next. Oh, let's go down here. Like Assassin's Creed. Well, hey, the final switch on then, boom. So we've got this one in. Nice little UFO light. Look at that, beam me up, Scotty. Lovely and bright compared to the older ones. And then this has been shifted over, so that's nicely done. That's been shifted over. If you remember the previous video, there we go. There's all those little dangly cables coming through, ready for his mezzanine lights. So there's gonna be like little 5 foot and 6 foot lights. We had Ellis and Hayden doing the sockets down here in conduit, didn't we? So look at them little beautiful conduit drops. They've done a brilliant job. So the cables, this is going to get like boxed in and a cupboard put in, and then we'll bring those cables, gland them into there, bring them to the fuse board, and then all that will power up underneath. But apart from that, everything's up and running. Oh, hey! So if you like this kind of content, hit the like button, hit subscribe, hit the little bell notification so you know next time we upload. As always, have a good one from me. I'll see you on the next one.